Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a dessert, and I'm doing some circular candy which is super sweet and delicious. It's such an easy recipe and it's very fast to make. First of all, you'll need 200 grams of dried cocoa and 1 can of condensed milk. Mix everything very well. This is the consistency you should be getting. Then, let's form the candy. Just roll the mixture in your hands. Then let's decorate them with a smoked dried cocoa. And some cacao powder. And the other one, any crushed nuts you have. Also, you can use powdered sugar. When it's all done, I'm gonna plate it this way, which looks super cool and delicious. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe, because if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos.